poor, little helpless, hopeless thing. Sorry, little guy, didn't see it down there. Tax dollar burden. When you hear enough of these things, you begin to realize you are on your own. No one is looking out for you. I mean, yeah, they see that they are. The nurses, the doctors, that old ladies' church group, you know what they call them all? Emotional band-aids for life telling you, you don't count. You never get quite used to any of it. Sad eyes, sympathetic smiles. When you go to sleep at night, they pile up in your head. Until one day you decide not to take it from anybody, ever. My story starts off in my imposed nursing home.
Get some rest.
Here we go. Dude, I told you to use the power chair.
What didn't seem so fun when I started?
Hey, you know my head goes on the pillow, right?
Yes,
Are you sure you've done this before?
Yes, my previous client, old lady with Alzheimer's. She walked, Billy, and did not talk. It was great. Just go to sleep, Billy. Tomorrow is a big day.
Yeah.
Big day.
Don't tell me when to sleep. That I can still do on my own. Lullaby? Life is strange these days. First, you put up with everybody talking down to you. Then it's the hands. Helping hands. All over me. All the time. Beneath each other. I still see and feel their hands all over me.
Good night, Billy.
They say before dying, you see light flash before your eyes. I see it every day. Because in a way, I'm already dead. It was just 5 years ago, everything was normal. I was right on track. I had become the superhero that I wanted to be.
You made it! Amazing sale!
Maybe one day you'll be like me. What are you doing?
Billy, your chair has a squeaky. I fix it, no worries. In my country, I studied to be a mechanical engineer.
In this country, you do that and my warranty's over.
Billy, I can fix this. Oh, 7.
What? We're late.
Нет, 7 в Москве. Нет here. Ну давай. Сейчас я работаю с Биллием. Ну, хорошо. Billy, my mom says good luck with this New York doctor. She has faith that this one's going to work.
Let me guess, she's a neuroscientist.
No, Billy, I said faith. Faith.
I don't trust faith or belief. They believe that the fall at that party triggered my MS. We land in New York with high hopes. This is my best and possibly last chance to walk.
Oh, Billy!
I need a coffee.
You need a coffee. Да, конечно. Everybody needs a coffee. I have a surprise. Oh, yes, Billy, yes. Magic in America.
Thank you. All doctors' offices are the same. The hopes, the reality. My kind of MS
It's like an eternal fall down an abyss.
You could have just told me over the phone and qualified for the trial.
Look, I still needed to examine
I didn't
you
need to
be
come
sure.
here.
I know how disappointed
No,
it
you have
is.
no idea. You don't know how disappointing this feels.
Klonopin and corticosteroids.
I don't want your constellation prizes. I want to walk.
Look, we are a top-of-the-line MS facility. We are not in the business of selling false hope like Mexico or India or Poland. I think we're done here.
Yeah, this is a waste of my time. Maybe I will go to Poland or Mexico.
Faith, Billy. TS is coming over tonight.
Mexico stem cell doctor cost.
Mexican stem cell doctors codes 0 found.
You should let me type.
I don't think your English is much better than Siri's.
Well, you're so high all the time, Billy. You wouldn't even know the difference.
It's 4 pills.
It says 2.
It's 4.
Billy, it says 2.
4.
You never let a lady wait.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, good.
to
How are
see
you? Andre?
That's the one and only Andre right there.
Well,
Yeah.
thanks for letting me hang here. My brother thinks he's the only one who should deal. What's up with you?
Not much. It's not a big shot doctor. No stem cells, just pills.
Way to go. You free speed, me free weed. Medical marijuana. Not easy to get, but smooth as silk.
It's everywhere in Vancouver. It's not my thing though.
BC bud? Nice. You should bring me some. I love my little compartment. Once, without knowing, I passed a gun at a courthouse.
What? How?
My brother wanted to persuade a witness. I get through security. Once in, he pulls a gun out of it. Metal on metal, super easy. Weed? Even easier.
Really?
We are not in the business of selling false hope like Mexico or India or Poland.
BC bud? Nice. You should bring me some.
I don't qualify. I qualify myself. Andre!
Billy, what? You drowning?
Not anymore. Hey, Mr. Engineer, can you modify my chair?
You're high, Billy. High.
Never felt higher.